All right, guys, we got the medium line here. White thing, followed by another white thing, 2 more consecutive white things. So I think we got this. Well, guys, I never strapped my bike in and we made it all the way to Denver. JD's super happy about it. All right. Made it. All right, dope, guys. We made it to Ruby Hill. The storm is moving the other way. We're gonna send the small line first. And most importantly, no rain. There are a bunch of different levels of riding, so anybody can come here like myself, who's pretty much a beginner when it comes to mountain biking. There's an extra small, a medium, a black, a pump track, dirt jumps behind those trees. It's all super sick and super fun. So I'm gonna hit the extra small. Alright, so that was the extra small line. Really fun, really smooth, really flowy. Dude, that looks like so much fun. Right? So we got wall hits, medium line, big wall hit, berms on berms on berms, guys. Oh, shoot. It actually felt surprisingly well for me. Good. Well, cool, someone just stole my backpack. That's awesome, guys. What is up, guys? I hope you enjoyed what little footage I had of Ruby Hill after all my camera gear and my SD card. All my footage yesterday got stolen, unfortunately. However, it was amazing to see all my friends and family come together and show their support and generosity. I was just completely blown away, guys. I was outside packing up my stuff and I saw what you guys were doing, and I was just completely broken at that point and humbled, guys. It means the absolute world. So thank you so much to the anonymous donator, and I just can't say enough to Mr. Sean Doyle, the guy who creates so much good stuff himself, whether actual physical things with your 3D printer or amazing DJing and your backdrops on your Twitch channel, which is absolutely outstanding. Shalin, that was incredibly generous, and I was just completely blown away. To my parents, thank you guys for always being there supporting me. To Kelly and Brian, you guys, it's just I really don't know what to say. It just means the world. To Cam, who's always just had the biggest heart and always wants to see others succeed as well. And then of course to my Aunt Lynn and Uncle Jim, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for keeping this alive for me, guys. It's truly my passion. It's truly something I want to do, and this is just going to make me hungrier and drive me that much more to make sure I succeed. So guys, as always, have a wonderful day.